Hello students, it's February 10th, time for your update. Review: do, does, don't, doesn't, have, has. You ready? Yes or no questions. That means the answer is yes or no. Do goes with I, you, we, they. Do I have the flu? Do you have the flu? Do we have the flu? Do they have the flu? Does goes with he, she, it. Does he have the flu? Does she have the flu? I don't think it has the flu. All right, practice. Do or does. Number 1. Do you have a headache? Number 2. Do I have a fever? Do I have a fever? Number 3. The president. The president. Does the president have COVID? The president is one person, he or she. Your daughter. Number 4. Your daughter. Does your daughter have a fever? Your daughter is one person. Your children. Do your children have the flu? That's plural. Do they have the flu? Do they have the flu? All right, good. Also, we say don't for the negative. I don't, you don't, we don't, they don't. He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Let's practice this. Do you have a headache? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you have a fever? No, you don't. No, you don't. Does the president have COVID? No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Does your daughter have a fever? Does your daughter have a fever? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Do your children have the flu? No, they don't. No, they don't. Good. You might want to pause the video and practice those questions and answers. Practice pronunciation. One more. This is the more difficult part. We learned this on Wednesday. If the subject is he, she, or it, the verb ends in S, like has in present tense. But if the verb do is used, then do always takes the S, becomes does. So here, she has a headache. She doesn't have a fever. The subject is she, so do takes the S. She doesn't have a fever. Same for the question. She does she? Do has the S, so you use have. Does she have a cough? Let's practice. Number 1, Luis, a cold. Do we use have or has? Luis is he, so we use has, the S. Luis has a cold. Number 2, he doesn't, a fever. Well, we have he, so we need an S. There's the S. He doesn't have the S is with do. He doesn't have a fever. Number 3, I have. I always goes with have. I have a cough, but I don't have a cold. I have a cough, but I don't have a cold. Number 4, your daughter, have or has. Your daughter, that's she. So, has. You need the S. The S goes with she. She has a cold. Number 5, she, your daughter, she, there's the S. She doesn't have. The S goes with do. So it doesn't go with have. And number 6, does she, and does go together, but have no S. Does she have a sore throat? Again, pause the video and say the sentences. If it's still confusing, don't worry. It will make sense one day. Okay, we're done. Don't forget your homework, page 48, 49 in the workbook, and citizenship video, page 10. On Monday, we will review questions from that video, citizenship. So Monday, 11:45, February 13th at the park. All right, always Mondays are at the park, 11:45, and then Wednesdays are on Zoom. And please bring your red books. We'll do page 52, writing an email or a note to your child's teacher. Milam Park, Monday, 11:45. It's going to be pretty cold, so wear warm clothes. All right, see you then. Bye.